Hello students, now we are going to discuss about some MCQs in electrostatics based on the concept of charge. First problem, now we are going to do first problem. Here the question is, how many electrons in 1 coulomb of charge? So we know that charge is quantized. The smallest charge that can transfer from one body to another body is electron charge. So we write here Q is equal to Ne. What they given in the problem, Q is equal to 1 coulomb. N is number of electrons. That is we are going to find out. We know that charge of the electron is nothing but 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. So by substituting these values, N is equal to Q by E. So that is equal to 1 by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. 1 by 1.6 into 10 to the power of 19. So by doing the calculation, we get the answer 6.25 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. This is the problem, the first problem. Here, what is the concept here? Q is equal to Ne. Q is equal to Ne. That means charge is available in the integral multiple of electron charge. Now we are going to discuss another MCQ that is based on the quantization of charge. See that problem. A polythene piece rubbed with wool is found to have negative charge, 3.6 into 10 to the power of minus 7 coulombs. Already we discussed earlier, in the process of friction, when two materials are rubbed together, then there is a transfer of electrons between the two bodies, so that the body which gains electrons get negative charge, the body which loses electrons gets positive charge. Here, who gets negative charge? Whenever a polythene piece rubbed with wool, it is found to have negative charge, 3.6 into the power of minus 7 coulombs. Right. Calculate the number of electrons transferred from wool to polythene, and that means polythene has a negative charge, so there is a transfer of electrons between wool to polythene. And also there is a transfer of mass. Already I told you, whenever two bodies are rubbed together, then what happens here? Definitely there is a transfer of mass. There is a transfer of mass, so that a body which gains electrons has more mass, a body which loses electrons has less mass. So first of all, here how we can do this problem? First we know that Q is equal to Ne. Q is equal to Ne. So now first we want to find out how many electrons are transferred from wool to polythene. So here they given Q is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power of minus 7 coulombs. That means charge on the polythene, that is negative charge. So N, we don't know N, and E, electron charge, that is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. Right. So N is equal to Q by E. Q by E means 3.6 into 10 to the power of minus 7 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. Students, please do this calculation. I will give you answer how many electrons are transferred from wool to polythene. That is nothing but 2.25 into 10 to the power of 12 electrons. So these electrons are transferred from wool to polythene. Right. Now not only transfer electrons, but also there is a transfer of mass from wool to polythene. So how much amount of mass transfer from wool to polythene, that is we are going to find out. So mass transfer wool to polythene, we know that M is equal to Nm. M is equal, total mass transfer is equal to what we write here, N into M. N means what? Number of electrons transfer from wool to polythene. Small m means what? Mass of the electron. So here M is equal to, N means already we find out N here. How much value? 2.25 into 10 to the power of 12 into what is the mass of the each electron? 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31. So students, these are the lengthy calculations. Please do this calculation as a homework. Now I will give you answer for this problem, that is equal to 2.05 into 10 to the power of minus 18 kgs. So these problems are based on the principle of quantization of charge. Let us discuss some more problems.